Hey there, what's up? This is Neil Napier, and it is that time of the year where I'm going to show you exactly how to build your business. So I do this a few times a year, and we are here now. We're starting a 9 lesson workshop sequence, and I'm going to be showing you quite a few different things that you can do in your online business. So we kickstart on May the 22nd, talking about building your first product, using landing pages, funnels to build your funnel, as well as doing email marketing. This is a very comprehensive session, and we'll go further and we'll talk about different aspects of online marketing that do impact you. So make sure that you sign up on this page because it'll be an amazing series and replays will be available. But I've got something extra that I want to give to you, which you'll only be able to unlock when you opt in. So just sign up on this page and follow the steps on the next page, and you will automatically receive an invitation to the workshop series that we are running. This is Neil Napier. Thank you so much for watching this video, being on this page, and taking action.